Hi, thanks for checking our channel. There's going to be a probably quick repair video on this one. This is a SACO 1. There's a bunch of Shock makes a little one like this. I don't remember the model. Havahart, which is another brand. Anyways, parts for these are basically obsolete. There are not very many things you can get for this thing. There's actually not much with these things. We actually worked on this thing about, I don't know, earlier in 2024. We put a new transformer in it because that's the only part we had in our old stock of stuff for these things. That's actually the only part that you can get, well, you could at one time get for these things for the most part. These are a continuous current unit. They're kind of like a weed burner type of thing. They work really good. It says activates 6 miles of wire. I don't know, 6 miles is kind of a lot of fence, whether it's multi-wire or single wire for a little unit like this. Now, if it's perfectly clean, probably be able to get by. But well, anyways, we put a new knob assembly on there and a new transformer, I think, or maybe I don't know. But anyways, the reason why it's in here, something happened and the cord got freaking ripped out of it. And you see they've been crimping on there, and it mangled that up pretty bad, crimping on it and stuff. But he said it wouldn't work. I think he's got another unit of some sort that he's using, but he really likes this continuous current for whatever he's using it for. Now, you can still get a unit like this if you want a continuous current one. I don't know. They're made by a company called Silver Streak. They're out of Tennessee. And if you go to, I don't know where else you can find them at, but go to Amazon, type in Silver Streak, Silver Streak, S-T-R-E-A-K, Silver Streak Super 250. And that is basically the same thing as this one for the most part. So, damn it. Okay. So what has happened when they ripped that cord out? There's 4 wires on this transformer, and if you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4th one's missing, and it's supposed to be inside that transformer, and it's yanked out of the thing. He thought, well, the power cord needs to be plugged back in. I couldn't remember what the unit was that we worked on for him, and I'm gonna send it back to you so you can get me squared away. I really like that old unit. All right, yeah, that's fine. We'll take a look at it. Well, the transformer was brand new that we put in there. The transformer, one of the wires on the primary side or secondary, yeah, primary side, has ripped out of it. So, what do we do with the stupid thing? I had some of these transformers up to about 3 months ago. The guy wanted like 2 of them. I had 4 or 5, and he bought all 5 of them from me for like $20 a piece, just to get him out of here. I hadn't used one forever, and I said, I don't know if they're all good or something, so I bought them from somebody that was getting out of the repair business or whatever it was. And I hadn't used one in a long time, so if somebody wanted them, I said, I'm just going to get rid of them. Well, let me look, and we dig around and see if I can find anything for this thing, because if I can't, he's screwed. He's going to have to buy another one. Buy that Super 250 I was talking about earlier, $60 brand new on Amazon. So not a whole lot of money, but let me go sniff around here. I might be striking out on this ordeal. Well, I was afraid of that. I do not have another transformer of one of these. Like I said, I had about 4 or 5 of them. Look at this, he's even broke. Piece of plastic that was... I hate being the bearer of bad news. I thought it would be like, just plug some wires back in for the power cord. Oh, AC, that'd be easy. Just plug them in where they go and be done with it. Well, no, it ripped the freaking cord right out of that transformer. And I don't even know where it went. Probably went right down in there somewhere. Of course, you can't see inside there where it goes. Well, can't fix them all. Especially with a new one being like $60 with shipping included. I mean, That's what I'm going to recommend them to do. So, got the MOV here for lightning protection on the fence and ground side. That's still okay. That wouldn't bother anything with this. Alright, well, that's a quick, painless video. Win some, lose some. This one we lost on. Alright, if something else comes up, give me a holler. Ask questions down below. Hit us up on our website there if you need to. Have you got any questions or see a little bit more about us? There are links down in the description below that will take you to our websites. Until next time, have a good, safe day.